Hi, Wayshare here. Welcome. This is a real user review. Me being the user of the InstaBuilder 2.0. InstaBuilder 2.0 is coming out of its beta time, so they did a beta launch, a beta period, and now they're in full development, full launch, full public mode. And I've bought it. I've been part of the beta team, so naturally I experienced some problems. Because that's what betas are all about, but they have actually fixed all of that, all of the things I encountered, and updated it, I don't know, numerous times in the beta period. And now it's launched and ready to go, and I want to show you first. I'm not here to most of the review videos you're going to find are people that thought, oh wow, I can make a lot of money from this. They watched the sales video, and now they're trying to push it on you. They have no earthly idea what they're trying to push on you. So I want to show you exactly what you're going to get. You're going to find out exactly what it is, exactly what you can build, and exactly who should get it, and exactly who should not get this. Okay? So you'll know all that by the time we get to the end of this review of the InstaBuilder 2.0. Okay, so let's take a look at some things that I've built already. One of them, like here's my main business website. For my high-end clients. So this is one of the pages. This is the main squeeze page made on that site. This is an InstaBuilder 2.0 site. So the download pages and things like that are also made with InstaBuilder 2.0. This is my high-end coaching site. I've made about, I don't know, 15, 20 pages in here using these pages. These aren't just squeeze pages. Notice these are full length. I created full length, web pages and squeeze boxes and the whole deal here, all using InstaBuilder 2.0. And the great thing is it allowed me to template the basics, and then I could just change the content inside. After it was templated, so I could easily, I didn't have to recreate every single, the format on every single page. So that was really, really nice. Now, here's another site. This is the my Easy Lead Network site. Okay. Okay, and you got me here. There's supposed to be a countdown clock there, and it didn't show up. So I'll have to fix that and see what's wrong. But I've made about I think 15 squeeze pages on this site in all different types. So this is another Easy Lead Network page right there. Let's see if this one works. There's another one. So it allows you to do video background. So this one you'll see has it, like one of the first ones did. This one does. They all have this 2-stage. You can also do a 3-stage. A 3-stage is you click the button, something like a video pops up, then you click the button again, and then the actual opt-in form pops up. Okay, but there's all types of squeeze pages and everything. So here's the thing with this. Okay. It works very smoothly. It loads very quickly. I think it's better than the InstaBuilder 1.0. I had that, and I replaced all of my InstaBuilder 1.0 with the InstaBuilder 2.0. Now that's not easy. That's not automatic. So if you're on 1.0, it's not like you can automatically import it. You can't. Okay, you will have to remake the pages, but I found it to be well worth it. Now let's take a look inside just so you can get an idea of what this looks like, okay? All right, so once you're inside, InstaBuilder, when you've installed it, it creates a menu item over here, and it has a dashboard. And the settings, we're not gonna go through that. This isn't to teach you how to use it. It's to show you what you get. This is my newest installation, and it gives you a graph that track things. It has split testing built in, so that's very, very good. I'm not using it in here. I just got started in this particular section. But to make a new page is very, very simple. You just click create a landing page. Now, if you get the upgraded version, I forget what they call it, but the upgraded, it's a membership version. They'll send you new templates and include the ability to build out a sales funnel automatically. And that's fine. Now remember, the biggest limitation here is this is made for WordPress only. And honestly, I don't want all of my pages on WordPress, so this isn't the only thing I use. Most of you probably know for my major funnels, I actually use ClickFunnels. But this will give you the ability to build out funnels. So if you're somebody beginning and all you're doing is WordPress, then this will be very, very good for you. All right. So it gives you when you click on the create pages, it gives you first, it shows you everything that's available and all the styles, but you can sort it out and pick what you want. All right. So you know, I've been making mostly squeeze pages, and then you can sort it by, you know, 2-step, 3-step, mini squeeze, video squeeze, whatever it is. Right now it's showing all squeeze pages. So they're all here, and all you do is when you see the style you want, you just literally click it and choose it, and it will create the page for you. And it's going to pop up on my screen here in a second, and there it is. Now you just edit it, okay? So to edit anything, you just click on an element. Let's just click on that one, and you click. If you need to change the settings, you would click on the settings. You can use any autoresponder with this, okay? Any autoresponder, literally any autoresponder that has HTML code for you to paste in. So I don't know of any that don't, but there may be some that don't. But as long as you have your autoresponder provides you an HTML code, you can use it. It's quite simple. You just literally drop it in this little window, click process, and it's there. Okay, very, very, very simple to do. Now, what if I didn't like here? If I wanted to add more stuff, well, you have all your fields here. They're all drag and drop, right? So let's say I wanted to add another section below this. I just drag it, drop it, and it's there. What do I want to put in that section? I don't know. Let's say I need to put, let's put an image. We can put an image there. We can put a caption there. Now, the cool thing is with images is when I click the settings, I can choose an image. So let me, clicking upload will go to my media library. So I'm just going to pick one that's already here. And the cool thing is the API allows it to connect to a free, I think it's Avery editor. So you can actually go in here and I can edit this. This works. I used it a number of times, particularly for moving arrows around and changing their shape and stuff like that. But you can do some pretty good editing right here on your pictures that you pull in. Okay, it will save them, and then you just pull them back into the image. An image, you can target URLs and pop-ups. Okay, so if you want to make your image so it has a pop-up block for sign up, then that's then you can do that. All right, so it's pretty flexible. Videos, you can put in YouTube videos, Vimeo, your own hosted, or any embed code. Okay, so if you have like I have, what do they call it? Video. I forgot the name of it. Let's see, my memory's going bad. But any of the videos hosting softwares that has an embed code, you can drop it in here. And you can do it. You can add scripts to your pages, no problem, anywhere they need to go on the page. It works fine. Doesn't screw up your scripts. They run the way they're supposed to. So that's excellent. So it's very, very simple. There's more elements, combo elements. So you can, let's say I wanted to put in a fancy, where is it? A fancy opt-in already pre-made right there. So all I have to do is just go in here and edit this. A little edit field will pop up here on my window, and I'll be able to edit it. Okay, so that's in there. Do that. I can change the fonts, the color, and all that stuff. That can all be done. So it's very, very good. Very, very flexible. Again, it's for if you're actually, even if you're paying an outsourcer, make it easy for your outsourcer. Give them access to this. You get your pages done much faster. It costs you less to have your outsourcer do it. But if you're a person who knows no code and you don't want to, then you definitely want this. If you're new and you need to make professional looking pages, well, this is going to do it for you. But it only does it on WordPress, okay? It has the ability to export to HTML, and I've never used that function. And that's useful if you get a developer's license and you have clients. I suppose it could be useful in that fashion. And there's other ways people do that. They can use that, but basically, we'll stick to the essentials. If you're using WordPress and you expect that to be the meat of how you do everything in your business for the time being, then InstaBuilder 2.0 is definitely it's a plugin. So it's the plugin you want to do that, because you can build out the squeeze pages, the launch pages, the download pages. And as you saw, I built out entire web pages using it. You can do anything you want with it, literally. All right. So it's very, very good. Who shouldn't get this? Well, if you're looking for something that does funnels that you can put literally anywhere, then this has that capability. But it's still based on WordPress, and so I don't recommend it for folks that are looking for higher speed, more capable things. But if you're, I mean, I have a blend of things. So I have some very high-end things as far as web pages making goes. That's what I mean. And I have some that where the speed and everything else and just run on WordPress. Then this is perfect for those. So I have lots of different ones, which is why I have it and kept it and continue using it. And I recommend it to you. The link is right below this video. So just click on it and go read the details on the sales page. It's not a hyped up sales page. It shows you how it actually works. And I'm overall very impressed with it. So it's worth whatever they're charging for you right now. It's actually worth more than that. But and I don't care what it is. I know they are charging less than what it's worth. So and it doesn't matter what the price is. So I highly encourage you to get this. Get it right now.